Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of shifting through endless web hosting options, unsure of what to choose? Well, I've got some great news for you. Today, I'm going to review the web hosting provider that's taking the industry by storm, DreamHost. In this video, I'm going to show you all the good and bad aspects of DreamHost, so buckle up, grab some popcorn, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is DreamHost? DreamHost is a veteran of the industry, with over 20 years of experience under their belt. They've been trusted by big names like WordPress, and for good reason. When it comes to ease of use, DreamHost is as beginner-friendly as it gets. With a clean design and simple navigation, you can install WordPress or any other popular CMS system in just a few clicks. And the best part? DreamHost's pricing is unbeatable. With plans starting at under $3 a month, you won't find a better deal anywhere else. But don't let the low price tag fool you. DreamHost doesn't skimp on security. Every plan comes with free SSL certificates, daily backups, and even free domain privacy. And if you need a little extra help, DreamHost offers a range of pro web services to make your life easier. But the real question is, does DreamHost perform as well as it claims to? Well, after months of testing, I can confidently say that DreamHost delivers on its promises of fast loading times and 100% uptime. Overall, DreamHost is the perfect web hosting provider for beginners, with an unbeatable combination of ease of use, affordability, and performance. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself, and it's no wonder why DreamHost is recommended by WordPress. Plus, after testing our website's uptime for around 6 months, DreamHost had only 20 minutes of downtime, scoring it at a 99.9999%. That's amazing. And last but not least, DreamHost offers various pro web services to help you run your business more efficiently. You can hire a pro web developer to help you with social media, design elements, or just website maintenance in general. If something breaks, it's great to have help just at the click of a button. Of course, these pro services are paid and are a bit on the more expensive side, but getting everything you need from one provider really cuts your wasted time down. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time.